This author is gaining hundreds of thousands of views, in some videos, millions of views, and earns thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars a month, using exactly the method that I plan to convey to you in this video. I provide a few more examples, and if this does not convince you of the relevance of such videos at the moment, then I do not know what else can be done. Such videos are easily created. 2 backgrounds, one red, the other blue, the middle frame, and 2 options to choose from. Also added some fascinating sound effects and background music. However, we are not going to do it manually. We plan to create a lot of such videos with just one click and then make a few changes. So stay with us until the end. First, let's start with the development of the script. We need a table with 2 options and their percentage ratio. Because you know how videos usually work. They present you with an option and at the end show the percentage of people who chose this option. And in 90% of cases, it is made up. We intend to automate this process as much as possible, so don't let go until the very end. Since our goal is maximum automation, we will not do this manually. Contact the GPT chat and insert this invitation from the description. You will be provided with a table with various questions, just various random questions and their percentage ratio. However, we don't need this column, therefore ask the GPT chat to remove the column with questions. They are not so important. I always emphasize that it is necessary not to copy just what everyone else is doing. Many repeat this. Find something unique and bring it into your work. You need to keep an eye on the current, given their popularity, which is likely to make people argue and discuss in the comments, and it will increase the views of my video. The next step is to create a video. If you don't know what to do, don't worry. I'll explain everything step by step. First, go to canva.com and go to the video section, then select the mobile video format. Create a new design. Make sure that this is the ratio of the mobile device screen 9:16. So the first step is to divide the screen into blue and red parts. To do this, add a square by pressing the R key on the keyboard and change its color to red. After that, change its size so that it fits perfectly on half of the screen. Hold down the Alt key, drag it, and then change the color to blue. Then add another square shape, change the color to black, stretch it from edge to edge, then resize it so that it is in the middle of the screen. Add another square, but this time change it to a circle and place it in the middle. We will place the text, so go to the text and place it, or make sure it is the Y text. Now we can add some animation to it. Click on the shape, go to the animation and add a pulse animation. Reduce the intensity slightly and do the same for the circle and text. We could really add options for adding text. Copy the first option from the table we generated earlier in the GPT chat. For me, these are such topics. Below, let me know which one you prefer. After adding the text, apply some effects to make them stand out, such as the shadow effect. Now we need to edit the timeline a bit. That's right, click on the text and select Show Timekeeping. In the main video, stretch it so that it lasts 6.5 seconds. Then make sure that the text is displayed in the video for only 0.3 seconds. The reason we need to do this is to make the animation look better. The animation I'm talking about is a pop-up effect. Make sure this is applied when entering and exiting. After that, change the size of the text and return to the timeline. Reduce the end of the video by 2.5 seconds because it is in these 2.5 seconds that the percentage will be displayed. Now just duplicate the first option and put it in the blue square. After completing these steps, which we need to automate in order to generate 45 short positions, you can simply copy them and then just swap all the data so that they correspond to the new topic of your video. Just swap the questions and percentages that you take from ChatGPT and then put them in the places where they should be. See that it all looks good, because in some moments the text may be longer and you may not turn out the way you planned. Check that in the future. Your videos look high quality and interesting, and after spending a little time for this, you will instantly get short films. Now you can review them to make sure they are aligned and meet your expectations. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to join me in the wake of my training programs. Analyze and repeat step by step with me. Grow and prosper. Let's make this world a better place together.